Okay, so this is the next day of the serum. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Brightening Liver Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, please do subscribe, turn on your notification bell. So guys, today I'm making a brightening serum and I'm using two powders. Here are my powders, and this is the aloe vera powder, and this is my hyaluronic acid powder. I'm using 2 times of my hyaluronic acid powder, and here is also my water phase. So guys, please watch this video from the ending, from the starting to the ending, so that I can explain better during the ending of this video, because now I'm doing voiceover. It's very difficult for me to start explaining doing the voiceover. So during the ending of the video, I can explain more better of the ingredients I used. Okay, so first I'm going to be adding in what is it called, the sodium citrate. Okay, this is to stabilize the serum. Okay, so I'm adding in the sodium citrate. So after adding in the sodium citrate, I'm going to add in the aloe vera powder. So if you have aloe vera gel, or if you're using the juice, it's good, it's fine. And here is the powder, the brightening powders. I used on 2 types of the brightening powder. So I'm just going to give it a very good mix so that all the powder can fully dissolve inside my liquid face. So the powders are fully dissolved. Like I said, I'm doing the cold process method because all the ingredients that I'll be using in this serum all dissolve easily inside water. So even if the water is coming out from the fridge, the powders can still dissolve inside, apart from the hyaluronic acid powder. Okay, so now guys, I'm checking the pH. If the pH is good, then there's no need of balancing it, or there's no need of taking it up again. So for me, the pH is pretty good. And now I have my oil phase. Yes, I'm adding in oils. Of course, you can also make your facial serums without adding in any form of oil, but because of the benefit I want from this serum, that is why I'm adding in the oil phase. So in the oil phase, I have the essential oil and emulsifier, vitamin E, and all of that. So you can skip this part anyway, because if you're adding in oil, that means you need an emulsifier, right? Yes, you need the liquid emulsifier. So you can see that after adding in the oil phase, my serum has turned white, or should I say the serum has turned milky. Yeah, it is because of the emulsifier and the type of essential oil that I used in this formulation. But anyway, I love this color. I really love this color. And most serum you're going to see in the market today are purely white. Sorry, not white, purely clear. Yes, most serums are clear, like the liquid jelly serum are clear, but I think I really love this color. So I'm adding in the hyaluronic acid powder. This is the most difficult powder that is very difficult to dissolve. It is really difficult to dissolve. So I heard that you can actually dissolve your hyaluronic acid powder easily with your alcohol if you're using ethanol, but I don't want to use any alcohol in this product. I don't want this serum to contain any alcohol product or substance. I just want this to be really natural. So I'm just going to try to give it a little mix, and the best way to dissolve this is to keep this serum inside the fridge. You can keep it for like 12 hours, you can keep it for like 24 hours, it depends. So I kept mine till the next day. Mine was not that hard because I used the two types of the hyaluronic acid powder. So I'm just going to keep this inside the fridge and we come back the next day. Okay guys, so this is the next day of keeping this serum inside the fridge. So the hyaluronic acid has fully dissolved, and we still have the serum looking so milky and creamy. I love this. There's no need of adding in any color at all, no need. Okay, so guys, in this formulation I used the liquorized powder, and I used the tranexamic acid powder. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that really good. Tranexamic acid powder, and I also use the niacinamide powder. So I use 3 combos of the brightening powders, and these also help with hyperpigmentation, age spot, and skin brightening. So I use 2 types of the hyaluronic acid powder. I use the aloe vera powder, and I use the glycerin. I use the propanidol. So the reason why I used a lot of these humectants, because of skin moisturizing. I want the skin to be moisturizing at the same time your the hyperpigmentation is fading away. At the same time you're having the skin brightening. So if you don't have hyaluronic acid powder, because it is really effective, so you can go for xanthan gum just to give you that jelly effect, but there's no skin benefit when it comes to xanthan gum. So if you want to learn how to make any handmade skincare products from the scratch, you can register for the online training class. If you want to learn the promising method, you can also register for the online training class. See you guys.